Let me ask you something. When you scroll through social media, do you feel like you're actually doing something meaningful or just wasting time? Social media can either be your biggest asset or your biggest distraction. The difference? Today, I'll show you how to use social media to attract opportunities, clients, and even a loyal community without wasting hours every day. Sound good? Let's jump in. Here's the truth. No one tells you. People don't care about what you post unless it speaks to them. Social media isn't about being popular, it's about being valuable. If you want to attract attention, you have to earn it. And guess what? I'm about to show you how, with a strategy that works no matter your niche, goals, or platform. Stick with me until the end, and you'll have everything you need to turn your social media into a magnet for success. Step 1, the attraction formula. And don't forget your bio, profile picture, and even your highlights should tell a story. Think of it as your elevator pitch in visual form. Does your profile scream, "Follow me," or "Keep scrolling"? Make sure it's the former. Step 2, content that attracts, not repels. Next up, let's talk content. If your posts aren't connecting, you're not just losing likes, you're losing opportunities. So here's the golden rule. Every piece of content should do one of 3 things: educate, entertain, or inspire. Ideally, it should do all 3. For example, instead of just saying, "I love coffee," tell a story about how your morning coffee fuels your productivity. Then ask your audience what keeps them going. Boom, instant engagement. And speaking of engagement, storytelling is your secret weapon. People don't follow products or services, they follow people. Share your challenges, your wins, and even your funny fails. Authenticity builds trust, and trust builds attraction. Step 3, engage like a human, not a bot. Now let's fix one of the biggest mistakes people make: ignoring their audience. Social media isn't a monologue, it's a conversation. Reply to every comment, DM your new followers, and ask questions in your posts and stories. Here's a hack. Instead of just saying thanks when someone comments, ask a follow-up question. For example, if someone says, "Love this post," reply with, "Thanks. What stood out to you?" You'll be surprised how much deeper the connection gets. Stories are your playground for interaction. Use polls, quizzes, or even casual cues to make your followers feel seen. Remember, engagement isn't about vanity metrics. It's about creating relationships. Step 4, the algorithm playbook. The algorithm. Everyone talks about it, but here's the truth. The algorithm doesn't hate you. It's just doing its job. Its job? To push out content that gets engagement. So how do you make it work for you? First, post when your audience is online. Your analytics will tell you that. Second, use trending sounds and hashtags, but only if they're relevant. And third, experiment. Try new formats like carousels, short-form videos, and even lives. The algorithm rewards creators who keep their audience engaged. But here's the thing, don't chase trends blindly. Stay true to your brand. Trends might get you attention, but your authenticity is what keeps people coming back. Bonus step, build your community. This is where the magic happens, building your community. Your followers aren't just numbers, they're people. Create a space where they feel valued. Shout out your top followers, share user-generated content, and even start collaborations. When your followers feel like they're part of something bigger, they won't just follow you, they'll root for you. Outro, take action today. So here's your challenge. Pick one tip from this video and put it into action today. Whether it's optimizing your profile, creating a storytelling post, or engaging with your audience, take that first step. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and comment below with your biggest takeaway. Your social media glow up starts now.